Hi, here go part two of the party favorite fonts. And these are the fonts that you're going to use when you create in your kids' birthday party favors. And these are the popular cartoons that the kids like. We have Story Font, that's Toy Story. We have SpongeBob, and that's a Sponge Font. And this is what you can look up. It's going to either take like Cartoon Font or Sponge Font. It should come up. Lee and Snitch, that's Lilo and Stitch. Moana, that's the Smooka Film Font. We have Cartoon Font, and that's Mickey. We have Minnie Font, and that's Minnie Mouse. We have the Dog Font, and it says Dog Dalmatians, and it's Dalmatians. Frizz Font, and that's for Frozen. We have Insect Font, and that's Spider Man. We have Space Battle Font, and that's for Star Wars. In the bio, I'm gonna have the link that you can click to get these fonts. So also sub to the channel because I have part three of the fonts that I found that you can use for the party favorites as well. So sub to the channel and click the notification bell so you can get the notification when I post the next part. Thank you for watching.